Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to color your brows. I ordered this slash and brow dyer from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description below. So if you want, you can order the same and try this with me. That's what it have inside, all the things you need. You just do a small stripe 2 centimeters and then you add 10 drops of activator, and that's basically all the magic. You just mix it. Now that you mixed it, it's time to apply it on your brows. I use a makeup brush for this, so it feels easier to do it like that. You can use anything you like. Just apply it to one brows and another one. Honestly, I feel like I tried better dyers, the ones that I got from Europe, but it was because I lived in Ukraine before. I tried a lot of different European brands and they worked pretty good. They had very nice deep brown shade. This one is also dark brown, but it's not so deep, so it depends just on you. I will try to find better options, like some henna options, and link it in the description too. I don't know about you guys, but I love dyeing my brows like this because it just gives you really nice look. You don't have to try so hard every morning. You can just go like that. You don't have to use a pencil, even though I like to use a pencil on top of this dyer, but it just makes it so much easier because it will last you for a few weeks and you don't have to worry about nothing. Don't worry if you can't apply it very straight and sharp. You can take leftovers later away. And even if you don't, they are not really gonna stick to your skin that doesn't have hair, so it's totally fine, don't worry. You can also use some lotion or Vaseline on areas you don't want to be touched by dyer. Depending on how dark you want them, just leave them like that for 10-12 minutes and then it's time to take away the dyer with cleanser. So this is a final look. Now we're just gonna brush them, and what usually I love to do when we can see the shape of the brows really nice now because we dyed them. Now I love to take away all the hairs around and make the shape of my brows look even better. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.